Hello everyone, this is Valeria, and in this video I'm walking you through Instinctools AI Adoption Workshop, a focused 2-day session designed to help companies like yours go from AI curiosity to concrete business results. In today's world, as we see it also from our clients' experience, there is a lot of hype around AI, countless tools companies invest in, non-stop experimentation, but not much real progress. And here is a simple truth. A great solution to the wrong problem is still the wrong investment. That's why we start every engagement with our clients by framing the problem first. Whether you are just starting your AI journey or stuck in pilot purgatory, we meet you where you are. Whatever the challenge, be it strategic uncertainty, tight budgets, or lack of in-house expertise, Instinctools team is here to help you. So let's talk about what actually happens at the workshop. Before we kick off, we have a discovery call where we fill out the brief, which helps us to understand your business context, your goals, current prototypes, and data maturity. No templates, no guesswork, just a clear understanding of where you are and where AI can help. Then we move into the live session, 1 full day or 2 half days. This is where our AI engineers and business analysts work side by side with you to explore AI use cases, align tech feasibility, identify blockers like data silos or legacy systems, review any existing prototypes. After the workshop, we make it real by delivering everything you need to move forward with confidence, which is a use case list, a vision and scope document, mapping your goals, problems, AI opportunities, and success KPIs, architecture overview, including the integration plan based on your current systems and infrastructure, UX UI concepts, and of course, a ROI-focused pilot plan with estimated costs, timelines, and quick wins to validate value. So you walk away from this workshop with a custom AI action plan built by Instinctools senior AI experts. This isn't some recycled framework. It's designed specifically for your business with real-world implementation in mind. It's a practical, expert-led process that moves your AI vision from theory to execution in just 2 days. If that sounds like something your business is ready for, just fill out the quick request form in the description to this video and we'll take it from there. Feel free to ask any questions by writing us directly to contact@instinctools.com. Thanks for watching. I'm looking forward to what we can build together.